Hyderabad, one of the fastest growing cities in the world. The land of investment opportunities, world's leading IT hub and second home for top IT companies. Hyderabad is a global city that has evolved as symbol of growth, resilience and boundless possibilities. Its economic growth has led to boom in the real estate market, which in turn has caused saturation of areas like Gachibowli, Financial District, Kokapet and Rajendra Nagar, etc. Real estate prices in these locations are skyrocketing. Do you want to know which is the most sought after developing location in Hyderabad, but still unsaturated and unmatched? Yes, Exit 14 Tukkuguda is the next big thing in Hyderabad, the next best destination for growth and prosperity. Just 10 minutes away from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, offering tremendous growth opportunities due to its planned rapid expansion. At the heart of this development is GMR AeroCity Hyderabad, spanning 1500 acres and forming India's largest airport-based mixed asset integrated ecosystem. It encompasses a business park, retail park, aerospace and industrial park, logistics park, which accommodates best-in-class schools, healthcare, hospitality and leisure facilities. Already surrounded by busiest 5-star hotels like Novotel, one of the best schools like Aga Khan Academy, Delhi Public School, largest chain of amusement parks in India, Wonderla, best-in-class sports arena. It is also building world-class shopping zone with multinational, ultra-luxurious brands which will be ready by 2024 for the high street retail experience. GMR Experiential Retail that promises to be a one-stop urban lifestyle destination in the AeroCity vicinity. With so much happening, the airport ecosystem will flourish in the coming few years and become the most attractive destination for high-end amenities and communities. Besides exciting projects like India's biggest World Trade Center at Shamshabad on 60 acres and government initiatives such as Hardware Park Adi Batla SEC, Hardware Park IT Raviriala, E-City, Science City, Aerospace Park at Alaminidu and Pharma City at Mucherla add to the area's appeal. Tukkuguda boasts the presence of 6 urban forests, ensuring a pollution-free and unmatched environment. Even with massive developmental activities, fresh air and good quality groundwater are assured for the residents. Exit 14 Tukkuguda also offers excellent connectivity to other parts of the city, close to the Financial District, High-Tech City, Jubilee, Banjara Hills and LB Nagar. All these hotspots are within a convenient 30 to 40 minute commute. Major highways like Bengaluru and Vijayawada offer fast interstate access. Amidst so much of development speed, projects have created a landmark. Introducing Zora City by Speed Infra. This is going to be most sought out location in Hyderabad. A unique premium township in 100 acres with 120 feet and 100 feet master plan roads and concept-based projects flaunting exceptional amenities with unparalleled quality of life. Don't miss out on the chance to be a part of the ecosystem.